How do you mean not enough memory? What do you mean not enough memory to open? Ah! There's two of them! Hold on, there we go. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I just could have just not streamed. I guess it just shows how much I care. Yeah. Hold on, what's going on? All right, there we are. Well, we're here. I don't even know what to do. I don't even. This isn't even a stream. I don't even know. I'm debating on even if I'm gonna post the VOD. Well, probably. I'm going to. All right, pop out activity feed. There it is. Get those activity feeds popping out. There it is. Well, that's not the one. That's just also not the one. Why am I doing that? Hold on. Oh, there it is. Hold on. There we are. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there it is. There it is, baby. Subscribe if you want to today. Every single sub I will be looking at with my eyeballs. Wow, that's a lot of subs, actually. Thank you, guys. I should have maybe had a longer stream today, but we'll see. I might do... What if, right? Hear me out, right? What if we double stream today? Would that... Hold on. How long does it have to be between streams for there to be a notification still going out? For a notification. 4 hours after the last one. Okay, so I could. Because I've been playing pinball. I have been... You guys don't understand. I have been playing, like, pinball. So, like, what if I just, like, went live at, like, I don't even know, like 3 a.m. and just played pinball for hours? Because that's what I was doing. That's literally what I was doing. Like, I was actually, like... like yesterday, I was just like, I'm gonna take it easy today. I'm gonna take it restful. You know, I'm gonna have a rest. I need to do a starting soon. I don't even know what I'm doing. Hold on. Okay. All right. Hold on. Yeah, we'll do a starting soon real fast. I don't even know the purpose of a starting soon, honestly, right now. I don't even know the point. But it dirty socks and all. If I ever make it to the top, I really hope I don't forget. No one cares how tall I feel at all. If I ever write any songs about being a rock star, slap me please, alright. Write me, I've got more to say. I'm sticking to my guns. Let the big boys play. They're the ones that wanted to become the very image they create. What? Now that's all they are. They're the ones with nothing but a lifestyle to which no one can relate. But they play guitar, don't you see how damn cool they are? Oh no, they take it too far. Oh, now all the greatest love songs are secretly about heroin. If I ever write I'm out now. Slap me please, alright. Whoa, Cat 7! Thank you for the 32 months.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the 31 months. Thank you for the 34 months, sewer creatures. Yeesh. Thank you. All right, hold on. Okay. There it is. Okay. Whoa. Hi, we're talking. Oh, there it is. No, that's the wrong one. There it is. We're talking. We're just I was going to, yeah. I like was going to stream today and I was like, but I also have plans. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do a quick stream, quick little talking, quick little, you know, saying words and stuff, giving you guys your dose. Thank you for the 12 months, 11 months, 24 months. Thank you guys for all the subs today. I don't even know why, but thank you. This is just gonna be a short one, and then I'll probably actually stream again. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I probably will. Like, if nothing else comes up, then I will just probably be going live at like 10 p.m. EST or something, and like just play pinball for a couple of hours. Let's just do that. But like, let's just do that. We might as well. I don't even know. It'll be fun. It'll just be fun. That's so long from now. Well, yeah. I'm gonna be, guys, you guys don't understand. I woke up 10 minutes before stream. I set an alarm for like 5 o'clock. I set an alarm for 5:30, and I set an alarm for 5:50. I woke up at the 5 o'clock one, made that tweet, woke up at the 5:30 one, went back to sleep, and then woke up at the 5:50 one. And then I just went to my computer, changed the title, and then went live. All right. That is what's going on. I went to bed at 10 a.m. All right. Fix your sleep schedule. It's better than when I used to be like just like nocturnal, where I just didn't used to like see the sun or something. It's better than then, you know? It's better than then. Do you need the sun? I don't need the sun. I do need the sun. I don't even know. I don't even know how that works. Do you really need the sun? Huh. I don't even know. Okay. Yeah, so I've been playing pinball a lot recently on this like game thing, and I've just been playing pinball, and it's just what it's been. It's just what I've been doing. It's like literally just what I've been doing. Like it's been so much fun. That's what I did like all of yesterday. I like worked and I played pinball. I would like respond, and then I'd play pinball, and I would respond, and I'd just play more pinball. Yeah, so it was fun. It was fun. That is awful. That's not awful. All right. Heaven forbid I have a hobby, huh? Heaven forbid that I have a hobby. It's fun. It's just fun. You know? It's good. I really want to get a pinball machine now, but they cost like $17,000. And I'm like, probably not. Maybe in like my like actual house, but even then, probably not. Sub goal, buy a pinball machine. I mean, I don't know. I mean, how buy pinball machines? Because there's like good ones, and then there's like trash ones, you know? So there's like screen ones, which are just like, you know, who are you fooling? Who are you fooling, really? You know? This one is $30,000. Jesus Christ. There's a Hot Wheels one. I want the Hot Wheels one. Hold on. Hot Wheel pinball machine. That's the one that I want. I want the Hot Wheels one. How much is that one? There it is. That one looks cool. You can buy, I can buy it. Your state. Look, check out a distributor. Oh my god. Oh wow. So you have to like get these like custom built. Wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. You have to get them like there's an entire scheme going on here. There's an entire scheme going on here. Oh my god. I'm looking at the trailer for it. That's what the sounds are in the background. Okay. That looks pretty sick. God, pinball machines are so cool. There's a Twilight Zone pinball machine. Oh. I'm not going to ever spend this amount of money on the pinball machine. I am never going to. But no. No, I would never. But no. Sub goal. Yeah, no, that's such a weird thing to make for a sub goal. Because that like doesn't thank you for the 6 months at tier 1 and the 6 months at tier 2. Jesus. Thank you. But like no, because it's like it's such a bad thing to make for a sub goal because it only affects me. Like that's like not even for you. Like sub goals should be for the community and like content and stuff, and me just getting a pinball machine for myself like should not count. Should not count. Like I don't even know. There's a Garfield pinball machine. Where is it? Wow. Oh. Wait. There's a Garfield one on the game that I'm playing. Wait. Oh. Wait. Oh my god. I have to load up the game. I have to load up the game right now. Wait. Is there really a Garfield one on the one that I'm playing? On the game that I'm playing? I'm loading up the game right now. Hold on. Surely we just like play pinball for like should I just play pinball now as well? Let's just play pinball now too. Screw it. No thanks. Hold on. Let's see if there's a Garfield one, then I will be playing pinball right now. I'm looking for Garfield. I don't see any Garfield ones. I don't see any Garfield ones. Which one is it on? Hold on. Let me see which one it's on. Hold on. I don't see any Garfield ones right now, but hold on. Let me search it up. Let me search it up on my on the thing. Garfield. Oh, there it is. Garfield pinball. It's for the first game. Was the first game better the entire time and I've been a fool? What's all the DLC for it? Oh. Okay, it's not as good, but oh, it does look pretty good actually. God damn it. Okay, there's world. Oh, I should have got this game instead. What am I doing? Okay, I'll get this game too. I'm getting this game just for Garfield pinball. I'm getting this game just for Garfield pinball. I'm buying Garfield pinball right now. It's 33% off. I have to get Garfield pinball. It's 33% off. Let's do it. All right, let's play Garfield pinball for like 30 minutes. Let's play Garfield pinball for 30 minutes. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just play Garfield pinball. All right. All right, I've bought Garfield Pinball. It's downloading currently. It's gonna take 5 minutes to download. All right, we're gonna play Garfield Pinball on stream for like 30 minutes. I've gotten good at the Back to the Future pinball though. There's a Back to the Future pinball in the game that I'm playing right now. I have gotten so good at it. I have gotten so good at it. Like I think I got like top 5,000 in the world, which is pretty good. I want to unironically try to get like top 100. I want to unironically try to move up the ranks in the goddamn pinball. Oh my god, wait, what if we like make it a thing of I try to get the #1 spot on the Garfield pinball? And that will just be my legacy. Oh my god, I have to do that. Wait, I have to do that. Wait, that's such a good bit. I have to get #1 on the Garfield pinball. I have to do it. I have to do it. Oh my god. Tonight's stream is gonna be like a 6-hour stream of me just playing Garfield Pinball, and it's gonna be titled "Climbing Up the Ranks in Garfield Pinball," and it's gonna be like a 6-hour stream. That's what tonight's stream is gonna be as well. Oh my god, that'd be ridiculous. That'd be ridiculous. Surely someone wouldn't be so stupid and play Garfield Pinball for 6 hours straight trying to beat the record on there. There's simply no way that that would happen. I've gotta though. I've gotta. Yeah, no, I've got to do it. I've got to do it. I've got to do it. I've said that I would, now I gotta put all of my time and energy for the next like months into Garfield Pinball. This is gonna the rebrand is gonna be me playing Garfield Pinball for like 8 hours. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. Garfield Pinball time. It has 2 minutes left. It has 2 minutes left to download. There's 2 minutes left to download. We're almost there. We're almost there. I'm so excited. 1 year for this. I lose all of my followers because I won't stop playing Garfield Pinball. They ask, please ranboo, a variety game, and I go, no, we're playing Garfield Pinball again. And they go, yes, ranboo, whatever you say, resub. And I go, no, more Garfield Pinball. Every you not deserve a place in the Garfield Hall of Fame? I do. For how many goddamn Fat Cat 3-packs I bought as a kid, all right, with my own money that I would steal from my parents, that deserves my place in the Hall of Fame alone, all right? You guys should have seen my Garfield collection. I had like hundreds of Garfield books. All right, only to be rivaled by my collection of goddamn Archies, which I had like 500 of. And I'm not even kidding. I had 500 goddamn Archie comics. You know, the thing that was Riverdale's based off of? Yeah. Imagine how excited I was when I found out that a live action adaptation was being made. When I had 500 goddamn copies of different Archie comics. It took up my entire room. I liked the stories. That's the thing. That's also why I'm a firm believer that if Riverdale stayed ridiculous from day one, like the source material, then it would have been good. It would have been so much better. It would have been so much better. You know, because if you look at the original source material, right? The Archie comics are ridiculous. Like, they are so far from reality, right? And what happened was Riverdale tried to be in reality and then go into that unreality. But in reality, they just should have been like, yeah, All right, today's thing is like, you know, Jughead has to eat 3 burgers or he explodes. Like, that would have been hilarious. I would have loved that. It is finished downloading. We're gonna be playing pinball. Like, that would have been hilarious. Okay. All right. All right. I'm gonna be game capturing this. Please no. Let's avoid the sex pinball. All right, there it is. We're on a good streak. All right, we have to avoid it. All right, hold on. Let's turn off the music. I accept the privacy policy. You can do whatever. All right, skip the tutorial. I don't even care. My tables. Where is it? Where's my beauty? Where's my sweet? Where's my sweet? Where is he? Where is he? Wait, I got it. What? Reconnect. I have you. No, I own. No. No way. It's only on trial right now because of the goddamn servers. Oh, but I bought it. No, I can only play the goddamn trial. What is going on? Why can't I connect? Are the servers down? What's going on? I literally bought it. Hold on. Let's exit the game. Exit the game. Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I did something wrong. I literally bought it. I literally bought it. Right? Did I buy it? Right? I did. I did buy it. Oh my god, no, I didn't. I'm so silly. I didn't buy it. Oh no, I already own it. No, I did buy it. Well, we just followed along with the game. I did. I bought Garfield Pinball. And now it's not letting me. It's Are the servers down? Or like, is this game just broken now? Surely it just takes a reset. Surely it just takes a reset. I own the, please, I own Garfield Pinball. I'm a real Garf, please. Let me Garf. Let me Garf. No! This is the worst goddamn day of my life. What do I do? What do I even 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 do this? What do I even do here? I guess I just have to wait. I guess I just have to wait for it to be online. But wait, but is this server online? This server might be online. I don't even know. What the hell's going on? Is it because if this server is online, then how's the other server offline? Unless I just like bought a dead game, but like in the Steam reviews, hold on. What's going on? Well, what's happening? Something is happening here. Store page. Oh, reviews are mixed. Wait, there's a, hold on. How dare you? How dare you? Huh, okay. All right. Interesting. You know what? Let's just, okay, fine, whatever. We'll just play this one. No, that's fine. Would you like to continue? No, don't expose me. Don't expose me, please. All right, hold on. I did get the Family Guy. I thought it was funny. I thought it was really funny. I thought it was really funny. No, I need to play. Oh, this one's actually kind of sick. Why did it play that? Why did it play that as the? Why did it play that as the? All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, baby.
Hello.
This one's actually kind of sick.
Welcome to the
Like, you have to admit,
computer aid.
this pinball's really cool.
I knew someone was alive in here.
You have to admit, this one's actually really sick. Like, it's Portal, they wouldn't let it be lame. You know? It's Portal. They just simply wouldn't let it be lame. All right, hold on. Let's do it. Let's do this thing. I have no idea how to play this game. Or I do, but it's... Ah!
Don't worry, I've got it.
Damn it! It's just... Yeah, all right. So we're gonna be playing goddamn Portal pinball for like the next, like, literally like 10 minutes. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing now. That's what we're doing now. Now this is content, baby. I forgot how absolutely boring pinball is to watch. I'm so sorry. Maybe I won't. Maybe I won't make this my bit. Maybe I won't make this my bit. Maybe I won't. Maybe I won't. Because I forgot how absolutely just awful this is to watch. I forgot just how awful this is.
Please proceed to the chamber.
Oh, damn it, I missed. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh. Ugh, damn.
You really don't need
Piss! Let me go. Let me go. Okay, I have to get like the middle.
Are you alright?
Oh, I missed. I missed. God damn. Wait, did I get the... I don't even know if I got the shot. I don't even know what's going on. Whee! Yeah, baby! I don't... This is so... I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I've made this my bit. I don't know why I've made this the bit for today, but this is the bit for today. All right, this is simply the bit for today. This is just the bit for today. All right, this is it. This is it. It's gonna be goddamn pinball. All right. Oh, nice. No, okay. Now this one's actually really sick.
that is not
You can choose like a mini game to play inside of the thing at the same time. I don't understand it. I don't know what's going on, but it's really cool. Oh, okay, good. It didn't just have me instantly lose. Okay. All right. The ball moves so damn fast. I need to hit this target. I need to hit this target thing. There it is. Guys, no, please. Don't, guys, don't unfollow. This is the coolest thing. Guys, don't, please, guys. Guys, don't. This is cool. It's cool. It's cool. Guys, it's cool. Please. Guys, please, it's cool. Guys, please, it's cool. Guys, it's cool, please. Guys, it's cool. Guys, please. Guys, it's cool. Guys, please. Oh, wait, I'm actually doing it. Oh my God, I'm about to do it.
where do you think you're going?
Whoa. There we go. Whoa. Wah. Wait. Wah. Wait, hold on. Wah. Wait, hold on. Wah. Wait, hold on. No! This is the dumbest thing. This isn't gonna be my bit. This isn't gonna be my bit. I'll do something else today. I'll do something else today. All right. I'll do something else. I'll do something else tonight. I swear. I'll do something else. I'm just. Ah! This one.
Next involves discouragement
It's so cool though. It's so cool.
before you had your
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Okay. 2 lit lanes create portal. Okay, got it. All right. So I have to get it in one of these lanes. Hold on. Whoa.
anything.
There we go. Okay. All right. Hold on. Go back up. Okay, that one just wasn't even my fault. That just wasn't even my fault, really. That just wasn't even my fault. That one just wasn't even on me. One just wasn't even on me, really.
Waddle over to the elevator and we'll continue the testing.
I need to get the guys, you don't understand. I need to get the bonus. Okay.
I'm pretty sure we're going the right way.
Oh, we're doing good. We're doing good. Okay. this one. Okay, we got this one. We got this one. Listen, you get to listen to the Portal OST while playing pinball. I mean, it's pretty good. This is oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's keep moving. Must be around here somewhere.
So I've been damn it. Couldn't even do anything. Couldn't even do anything there. Oh, I lost. Damn. Okay. That was embarrassing. Hold on. Okay. Let me show you guys how goddamn good I am. Hold on. Let me show you guys. Okay, how good I am at the Back to the Future one. Okay.
Back to the future.
Look at that. 424 million points.
Single player and
All right. No, let's start a new game. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this on stream? Why this is like the dumbest thing I've ever done. All right, we get to choose which like story we want to play. Let's use 2015. Yeah, so you get to choose which story you want to play, and then yeah, it's pretty yeah. There we go.
On Wednesday, October 21st,
No, I can't. I simply can't.
my collection.
So I just this will be really funny. No, I can't.
My collection.
Let's just play a regular one. Let's just play a regular one. Listen, guys, listen. All right, we've all got our things. Oh my god. Let's play the alien one.
Alien Isolation.
Single player and
The alien one was pretty fun. See, now this one's cool. Now this one's sick. All right, people will think I'm cool for playing this. People will think I'm cool.
Something is
All right.
lurking in those shadows.
There we go. Yeah, we have to. Apparently, you have to hide, which is kind of hilarious. Now this is boring. I'm sorry. Listen, all right. You get a 30-minute stream, you get goddamn pinball. All right. That's it. That's all you get. All right. You want an early stream, you get goddamn pinball.
We might be in trouble.
Oh, enemy in sight. Oh god, enemy in sight. We have to kill someone. We have to kill someone now. We have to kill someone. Hold on. Okay, we're good. We killed him. We're fine. It's okay. What happened? Oh my god. I don't know what god. Oh my god. What's going on? I don't even know what's happening. I got two balls.
I can't see
Two of them.
the monitor. It's gone, Ripley.
Oh god. Okay, we're good.
Performance.
We're good.
We are on our own.
Okay. Now there's only one ball.
Be more cautious,
Oh.
Ripley.
I looked away.
Nice.
Oh, hey. Oh, this is the dumbest thing. I'm so sorry. I swear I'll never do this. There we go.
Something is closing on you.
Oh god, I'm getting attacked. Oh god. Oh damn, there I go again. Oh my god, I am not doing well. I am not doing well right now. Oh no.
Stay focused.
I am really not doing well.
Alert.
What do you mean alert?
A supply depot in the region.
What do you mean alert? What do you mean goddamn alert? Shoot spinner for big. What is the spinner? What is the spinner? I don't even know what the spinner. I've lost again. I think I lost. I think I lost. Did I lose? It's showing the planet blowing up. Yeah, I did. Okay.
Single my main menu.
I'm glad I gauged it. I'm glad I gauged it before I. I'm glad I gauged it. I'll look at, you know what I'll do? I'll look at the graph. I'll look at the goddamn graph. And if there isn't like just a straight drop as soon as I started pinball, then I'll do the stream tonight, because I don't know if you guys like it or not. If there isn't like just a downward like just a pew. Not because I care about viewership, but because I care about doing things that you guys enjoy as well. All right, that's the main thing. We lost 1,000 people. I lost 4,000 followers instantly. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. I should have gotten. I'm so pissed that I couldn't play the Garfield pinball. I feel like that would have been good. I feel like that would have been good. I feel like that would have been good. That would have gotten plus a billion viewers. Plus a billion. Servers are often down on weekends. What's the damn point? What's the goddamn point if it's down on the weekends? What am I supposed to do with my Sunday evenings? What the hell? You can't play pinball on the Lord's Day. You cannot play the devil's game on the Lord's Day. You can't do this. You can't do this. Oh my god. All right, I'm gonna go. I'm not clapping. Well, yes, I will. But I'm gonna be live again, like later tonight. I'll do a later stream as well. All right, so that's what I'll do. All right, I'll do a later stream as well. We'll do pinball if you guys actually want it, but at the same time, I'm like, I don't know if you guys want it or not. We'll do something silly. We'll play like a horror game or something maybe too. There is a cool horror game that I saw. It's like where you like take pictures of stuff. So I might do that. I might do that and then pinball. get them in with it and then play pinball after. That's what we might do. We'll see. All right, I'll see you guys. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. All right, bye everyone. Bye. Bye. I'll see you. Bye. Thank you for all the subs today, by the way. There was a lot. Thank you. Bye.